What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. On the left side will be the picture of a beautiful and tranquil school in the midday, and also the students over here on the courtyard gathering and also study together with the uniform. And after using the special prompt, this situation and also this school can be transformed into this gloomy look of the Halloween vibe, and also the student will also change their outfit into the Halloween costumes. Isn't that cool and spooky at the same time? How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step is you can access this Nano banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to do the photo editing with your favorite AI photo editing, so you can go ahead and don't worry, because I will also share you the prompt to do this photo transformation. And here in this Google AI Studio, I will start to click try Nano banana, and after that I will upload the picture from my gallery first, for example like this, and after that I will put the prompt into this section. Well, basically the prompt will be like this: transform this bright peaceful school courtyard into the Gothic Halloween theme scene. I will show you the output, while keeping the original school building and overall composition the same. And the architecture of the red brick school remains intact, but now looks darker, older, and also slightly haunted. And also with the Gothic style detail like the dark ivy and cracked wall and also dim lantern. So like this, if I zoom this picture. And the another detail is change the bright daytime into the gloomy twilight atmosphere with a thick fog and also cold blue tone, and a faint orange glows from the Jacko. This is the Jacko's lantern scattered around the yard. And also turn the green trees from this one into the leafless like this. Twisted branches covered in the spider webs, and also make the bushes look dry and eerie. This is the bushes. And also add the Halloween decoration such as the carved pumpkins, hanging beds, skeleton figures, and also flickering candles. This is the skeleton. And also the ghostly fabric draped on the Windows tree. And the another detail is changing the outfit of the student. The student standing around the table area now wearing the various Halloween costumes. One dressed as the mummy, for example, as Dracula, and also as a witch, like this, La Llorona, and also the zombie, and also the black cat. This one. Keep the same camera angle, depth, and realistic proportion. The lighting should be cinematic and moody, with the dark shadows and also soft mists to create the spooky Halloween night feeling. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output. So you can simply screenshot this prompt, but don't worry, because I will also put this prompt into the description box. And please let us know if this prompt also worked for you guys. So basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this picture. However, it can also create the another version of picture like this. So you can continue to click rerun if you'd like to get another picture too. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.